So let's start with my school. So since I was in school, it's safe to say that I was amongst the most popular kids. Would always dancing, and I would be a part of all the extracurricular activities that I could be. But one thing that I used to get intimidated by was that a lot of my friends had it all planned. They knew what they wanted to become when they grow up, and I did not know anything. So, to hide my embarrassment, because so many times people ask, what do you want to become? What do you want to do? To hide that, I randomly started chepoing this thing that I want to become a CA. I'll be very honest with you guys. I didn't even know the full form of CA at that point of time, but I kept doing that until I was at the wedding and my master ji came up to me. He asked me the same question, "What do you want to be, beta?" I said CA. यार वो मेरे से क्रॉस क्वेश्चन करने लग गए, आगे करने लग गए कि CFA कर लो, कनाडा आ जाओ, पता है ना कि कॉलेज लाइफ तुम्हारी मिस होती है. आई वॉज फ्लश्ड एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम बिकॉज मुझे तो कुछ भी नहीं पता था. CA के लिए कॉमर्स चाहिए, ह्यूमैनिटीज चाहिए, क्या चाहिए. So that very night, I was a little embarrassed, obviously, at the situation also. But along with that, at myself, कि राबे ये क्या कर रही है तू? So that night, I thought hard and I jotted what I wanted to do into three things. Okay? Number one, I could be a dancer because I loved to dance. Okay, in my head also so many times ऐसा होता था कि whenever I'm listening to songs, I'm the heroine who's looking pretty hot and nice, and there's a hero and all. But then I let it be. Let's just leave dancing to my passion. Now, the other thing was, I thought, why don't I become an actor? But again, the problem was that at that point of time, I was not introduced to the law of attraction. And this dream seemed pretty far fetched. ठीक है? The third thing that I thought कि क्या कर सकते आगे was to become a radio jockey. I blabber, I app, मैं बहुत बात करती हूँ. And at that point of time, I was in my major Geet era, proper Kareena Kapoor fan. So I knew that now, if anybody asks me, Rabia, what do you want to become when you grow up? I will not say I am going to be a CA. I will say that I want to become a radio jockey, and I actually meant it. So I sailed through my school. Now I come to the college. My parents, they said, Rabe, you're mad. ये क्या कर रहे हो तुम यार? तुम्हारे को हिंदू में एडमिशन मिल रही है, तुम्हारे को हंसराज में एडमिशन मिल रही है. But one thing I knew in my head was that at that point of time, I want to be a part of the college that had the best dance society, which was Mudra. So I chose JMC. Now I love JMC, okay? बट गाइज बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट था, गर्ल्स कॉलेज था. सो यू ऑल नो, लाइक मेरे पेरेंट्स ने तो सीधा बोल दिया था, यू आर क्रेजी, वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड यू. बट एनी वे, आई सेल थ्रू माई कॉलेज ऑल्सो हैप्पीली. उसके बाद आता है आरजे बनना था, बट कैसे बने? बिकॉज इट्स नॉट लाइक यू नो अ रेगुलर कोर्स, इट्स अ रेगुलर फील्ड दैट यू आर डूइंग. यू सिट एट अ प्लेसमेंट सेल, you get hired by whatever companies. So then I googled and stuff, and I thought, yaar, ya to RJ Hunt's ka part banna hai. And sadly, I couldn't find any RJ Hunt at that point of time, even after trying hard. So I started cold calling these radio stations. Nobody picked. I was pretty sad. So what I decided was that I'll start going to these places, cold visits I made, and these people, these radio stations did not even let me enter. मैं अपना resume लेके जाती थी. I used to give the resume to the guard in hopes कि भाई please ये आगे forward कर ले to the person who's in charge. That did not happen. I was a little sad for some time, okay? Until I thought, okay, let's do a diploma in mass communication. So I did it at Bharati Vidya Bhavan, and thankfully, after that, I landed a job at a radio station. I was glad that I did, but I'm not going to reveal the name because it sucked. Guys, the radio jock that I was under, as opposed to what I had anticipated a radio jockey to be, cool, fun, energetic. This guy really used to give me a lot of meltdowns. He was extremely arrogant. He used to scold us. He used to danto us. कुछ भी हल्का सा गलत हो गया तो तुम्हारी खैर नहीं. But anyway, I sailed through those 2 months as an intern at a radio station. Again, I was back to square one. नहीं समझ आ रहा था फिर से क्या करूं. Then my best friend came up to my rescue. She's like, you nothing, I something. तो कहती कि I am an HR at a job, and while you're sulking and crying and all, so why don't you join me? I was like ठीक है, अब time pass करना है, थोड़े पैसे भी आ जाएंगे. Let's just do a job as an HR. Guys, let me tell you, it was so much fun because it was a travel job. And just imagine me with my best friend, we were getting free traveling, we were getting free food, and obviously, जो थोड़ा बहुत हमारे को काम करना था, we were doing that. So we were sailing through that, having a lot of fun, me, my best friend chilling, until I get a mail from All India Radio, and they said that my interview to be a radio announcer had been scheduled for. I was ecstatic. I was jumping. I was like, bye, best friend. I don't care. I want to do this. So, all in all, it felt so good. It felt very gratifying, but there was one major flaw, and that flaw was the timings. But before this, let me tell you that a radio announcer is not a radio jockey, okay? Matlab, I'll just give you an example. As an announcer, I would say, अगला गाना कभी खुशी कभी गम का बोले चूड़िया है सुनिए. So there was no feel to it. It was very monotonous, and the worst part was the timings. 2:30 a.m. I had to leave. 6:30, 7:30 a.m. I had to come back. So my parents they never slept. Like during this 5 months, they never could sleep because they knew कि उनका बच्चा बाहर है. And I knew that my parents, after a point of time, are going to say, listen, we can't have more sleepless nights. But to be honest, because I didn't enjoy it as much, it was not me being a radio jockey, I said, okay, I gave into that. Now again, friends, I was back to square one. And I landed a job at So Delhi afterwards. Only to be fired from there in 2 weeks. I remember, by the way, I was a writer over there. I don't know why, God knows why I took that job. Okay. I remember when I was being fired from there, I went to the washroom, I howled and I cried, called my mom, Mama, I'm such a loser, कुछ नहीं हो पा रहा, समझ ही नहीं आ रहा, कहाँ जाऊँ, क्या करूँ, क्या नहीं करूँ. And रोते रोते, I get an unknown call, okay? And usually I don't pick unknown calls, but I don't know. God had some plans. God made me pick up that call. So I was called by Zabardast Hit 95 FM, and it was just an interview to be an intern, okay, not a radio jockey, to be an intern. Again, I was very happy. Thank you, Babaji, sab kuch ho gaya. So when I reached Hit 95 FM, I was an intern, but right after that, it didn't even take them 2 months to make me their afternoon jock. I had my first show, which was the Bakar Bakar show with Raj Jones. He's also a radio jockey. He was a radio jockey, and the rest is history. I was so happy that my dream of becoming a radio jockey was fulfilled. So, I was a jock at Zabardast Hit 95 FM for about 2 years. Then there was a brief period of time when I went to Chandigarh also, my FM, but Chandigarh, I loved it, but it was for oldies. I didn't really enjoy it. I came back, and then finally, I was a primetime evening jock at Mirchi 98.3, and my show was Kudi Current Hai. So it was amazing. I was having the time of my life for these entire 5 years. It was too good. Then I would want to just bring your attention to this compound effect. Now, compound effect means that baby steps, baby actions that you take over a period of time consistently, it is definitely going to lead to transformative results. You just need to keep taking those steps. After that, I believed that it is very important for us to be authentic. Now, I knew that when I was a radio jockey at Zabardast Hit 95 FM, My FM, Mirchi, I knew that this one thing nobody has that I have, which is my authenticity. I knew I was bubbly, I knew I was loud, I knew मेरे में वो थोड़ा West Delhi touch type सा था, and I knew I was energetic and all, and that is what I basically got for my show, and that is what worked for me. So it is important for you to be authentic, to be original, because एक mask आप लोग कितने time तक पहनोगे? After a point, you will only tire and the mask is going to fall off. The next thing is one of my favorites. It is be one with the universe. So whether it is a spiritual angle, whether you would like to believe it to be a religious angle, that is for you guys to decide. Now, there is another book that I'm sure you must have read when you were in school, or even if you haven't, you must have heard about it. That is called The Alchemist. So, this entire book revolves around the power of oneness. The fact that all of us, you, me, we all are energy, we all are interconnected in some way or the other, and we're all a part of a greater whole. We're all just a small part, tiny part of the greater whole. And once you realize, once you start thinking about it, na, life is going to be so much fun. Because कुछ भी नहीं भी अगर हो रहा ना, blame it on the universe. कि भाई नहीं होना था मेरी किस्मत में नहीं था. Universe did not want this to happen for me. So that is a pretty cool way to sail through your life. I really do this. Now the next thing is also one of the like my most favorite ones. Believe in miracles. I'm going to be sharing a story with you guys, okay? So this one time I had started journaling. I had started writing my affirmations and all. So one of the affirmations I wrote was that I want 100K followers on Instagram. Okay, 3-4 times ही हुए थे मुझे. And after that, I had a trip planned. So we were preparing for the trip. We went to the airport. I went to the airport washroom, and over there I was scrolling through my reels like we all do. And I 100% I remember that at that point of time I had about 13.4K followers. But when I went to the washroom, I was like 14.4K कैसे हो गए? There's no chance कि एक घंटे में 1,000 followers बढ़ जाएंगे. I was like, maybe I'm hallucinating, let it be, chalo. I reached the destination after 8 to 10 hours and I connected to their Wi-Fi. You guys are not going to believe. I had 20K followers at that point of time. So after good 8 to 10 hours only, I knew I had 20K followers. I was not hallucinating at that point of time. I was happy because for me, this was a major miracle that happened right in front of me. Throughout my trip, whenever I was refreshing my Instagram, I could see 1,000 followers बढ़ रहे हैं. एक reel मेरी viral हो गई थी. But just imagine, guys, अभी मैंने अपने affirmations लिखने, अपना journaling करनी शुरू करी, and within the next 2 months, I got my 100K followers. So I was ecstatic, I was very very happy and I knew कि life में जब भी ऐसा होएगा ना कि यार मज़े नहीं आ रहे, समझ नहीं आ रहा, I planned this is not working out. I know that the universe is with me. I remember this particular moment and I obviously believe in miracles. Now the next thing that I want to bring light upon is be surrounded by people who support you. So my husband, my mother, my father, my brother, my sister, if you guys have seen my reels on Instagram, they're all somewhere in the reels, okay? And it's not their forte. It's a lot of time that is required to make a reel. They are not pro at it. They have other work for God's sake in life, okay? And not just to sit with me and spend 3-4 hours all the time for my reels. But they only do all of that. Why? Because I know that they love me. I know what this dream, what content creation means to me, and they fully support it. Now, if I talk about my husband, you guys won't believe. There are so many reels that I make, okay? And I'm a married person. And so many times in reels, I'm going to be saying, मम्मी जी, आप ये ज्वेलरी क्यों मेरे से लेके जा रहे हो? क्यों आपको लगता है कि मैं लेके भाग जाऊंगी क्या? Yeah, sometimes it's all about, you are such a mama's boy, mama ye karti hai, mama wo karti hai. Or it's even bhabhi nanad relationships that I bring light upon, guys. I have 3 nanads. If you don't know who a nanad is, it's a sister-in-law. So I have the courage to do all of this because anybody can feel bad कि भाई ये क्यों बोल रहे हो? And even though it's not कि मैं घर की बातें कर रही हूँ, but it's the most relatable thing जो बिकती है, right? The reason why I'm able to do all of this is because my husband knows that relatability bikti hai. He is extremely supportive. He's there when I'm in my self-doubts, when I'm having a lot of self-doubts, my ups and downs. So you need to understand who are the people who are there for you, who are the people who are there to support you and love you. If not, then it's very important for you to just distinguish between those people. The next thing that I would like to bring upon is be ready for change. Sometimes it's so tough for us to get uncomfortable. We are so comfortable in our, wherever we are in life, okay? So with me also, when I decided that from being a radio jockey, that which was my ultimate my most honest dream. From being a radio jockey, um, I want to now get into content creation. So I had a lot of guilt. I had a lot of self doubt. I didn't know whether it's going to work out for me or no, because at that point of time, I was kind of having the best primetime show with Mirchi. But I knew that I wanted more. I knew that I wanted to be more famous. I knew that I wanted more face value. And it's okay to strive for more. The important thing is that wherever you are, you should be grateful with whatever you have while striving for more. There is no harm in striving for more, guys. So at this point of time, I would just like to say, वो एक alchemist का भी there's a dialogue which says that the universe conspires to get you to what you want to achieve. ओम शांति ओम का भी एक डायलॉग है ना, कि कहते हैं ना कि अगर दिल से किसी चीज को चाहो तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उससे मिलाने की साजिश में लग जाती है. This has actually worked for me. So guys, I do journaling, I do manifestations, I do affirmations, I read a lot of self-help books. I believe in science. Like I believe in 1111. At that point of time, I just pray to God of what I want. I believe in all of these things. There's one sign that I would say again. So 3 years back, I went to Amritsar. And over there, I got a call from Mirchi and I landed that job. This January, I went to Amritsar again and I got a call from Ted, and I'm standing in front of you. So sometimes it's just, I think you should just be excited in life. You should be positive. I'm telling you, there are very, a lot. Still, all in all, it's important for you to just get out of that. So dream your dream, believe in it, feel it, think about it, and obviously, you guys have to do the actions. And now subtle integration I'm going to do, huh? If there is anything that you want from me, if you want me to help you out with something, you guys can slide into my DMs. Find me on my Instagram handle, which is Rabia Singh. That's all for today, guys. That was my time. Thank you so much. And at this point of time, if you walk out of the theater and there's anything that you feel that helped you guys, you took from me to you guys, I will be very happy. I'll be very grateful, and I'll be the luckiest girl. Thank you once again. Thank you.